You ever thought about the power of habits? In just 21 days, you can set the course for a healthier life. Let's explore how. Begin with one small, achievable habit. It could be a daily 10-minute meditation or replacing soda with water. Small, consistent changes pave the way for significant transformations. Link your new habit to an existing daily activity. Meditate right after your morning shower. Drink a glass of water every time you start your computer. This pairing creates a powerful habit loop, making the new behavior a natural part of your routine. Consistency is more crucial than intensity. Perform your new habit at the same time each day. Maintaining this regularity over 21 days helps the brain to recognize and establish this new pattern as a new habit, seamlessly integrating it into your daily life. Visual cues can be incredibly effective. Place your meditation cushion in a visible spot. Keep a water bottle on your desk. These items act as reminders, nudging you towards your new habit. Tracking your progress is essential. Use a calendar or an app to mark each day you successfully follow your habit. This visual representation of your streak is a powerful motivator, reinforcing your commitment and progress. Understand that 21 days is a starting point. It's about laying the groundwork for a habit that continues beyond 3 weeks. The goal is to integrate this new behavior into your lifestyle permanently. Expect and accept setbacks. They are a normal part of the habit formation process. The key is resilience, not perfection. When you slip, acknowledge it, learn from it, and get back on track. Celebrate every small success. Each day you adhere to your habit, you're building a stronger, healthier version of yourself. Reflect on the changes you're experiencing. Are you feeling more relaxed? More energetic? These improvements are signs that your new habit is positively impacting your life. After 21 days, you'll witness a noticeable difference. You've not just created a habit, you've kickstarted a lifestyle change. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Your step towards a healthier, more fulfilling life starts now. And that's your guide to developing healthy habits in just 21 days. Embrace this journey, and watch as your life transforms for the better.